Now we'll do our newest record for you, and it's called Little Man.